So it is July 18th, and we got the girls up here, and she had these babies but kind of lost them in the grass. But thankfully she remembers that these are her babies. Oh, it is July 20th, and again, oh, look at somebody's got afterbirth. And just wanted to thank everybody again for subscribing to the channel and supporting us that way. Enjoy reading your comments, so feel free to drop us a comment if you want to say hi or have any questions. And oh, we got some new babies.
She's a little overprotective.
Is she now? I wonder why. Chew, come here. Come here, Chew. Get out of there. They really don't like it when you're in there. Come here, Chew. So she only had two. Oh, they are so cute. Go on, girl. Those are your babies. Go get them. So we thought she would have at least triplets, but she did not. I guess she's just an easy keeper. Oh, those are the cutest little babies. Not very bright, are we, gal? Okay, I'm not going to try and stop you as you're kind of a heifer. You girls are fine. Come on, heifer. They're over there. Don't be dumb. Look it, there's a dog in with your babies. You better go get it. Oh no. There we go. Good. Yeah, it's hot. It's a good thing you put up the fan. Just cute as little babies.
Oh, she's not a very happy camper.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry. Oh, and look who slipped out.
They can crawl right through.
Now we're gonna walk the does out. Oh, and guys, we got almost 2 inches of rain a couple of days ago. This was almost dry enough where we could scrape it off of here and put it out. So now we've got to wait all over again. We'll see. Don't know if we'll be able to get the yards cleaned before winter comes if it keeps raining like this. And I know everybody else is kind of dealing with the same thing. It's tough because usually by this time we've got the yards cleaned and starting in on the barns. But every time it quits raining, we got to take down hay and make sure that that gets put up dry. So, and about the time then we're done and we can switch gears to cleaning, then it rains. And if it would only sprinkle, no big deal. But unfortunately, it downpours and drops a whole bunch on us. And there's a chance of rain today, there's a chance of rain tomorrow. then hopefully we've got some dry weather, because it is hot, it is humid, and we wanted to wait until it got dried up so we could take all of these kids off of their moms. But the thing is once we get these babies off of their moms, then we'll have to take the does elsewhere. And having them stand in yards like this, just asking for pneumonia and all of that. So it's needs to dry up. Needs to dry up. That's what it needs to do. Just needs to dry up. Oh, I had to come and check on the babies again before we bed down the hoop barn. Really wish we could clean the hoop barn instead of just bed it down, but oh, your babies are so cute. Ooh, it's a hot one though, isn't it, Mommy? You wonder how much of a pain in the butt the bottle kids are. You just can't keep them away from a person. So we're gonna bed barn down, hopefully one last time. Hopefully we can get this cleaned in the next week or so. We shall see. There's always a lot of things to do in a short amount of time. Okay everyone, it's July 22nd. As you can tell, again we got a lot more rain. So it is hot, it is humid, and we are done with this rain. I don't know, guys, how this is gonna go, because if the summer's like this, that means the winter usually has a lot of snow. Hey girl, you were enjoying laying next to the fan, weren't you? Oh, everybody's in together. How are you doing, darling? One? Just one? Just one. Look at you. That's a big baby. So we're sledding some hay down to bed those girls down in the barn. So we're putting her in this little pen here. That's right in the where the wind can blow. I tell you what, I don't know how people down south do this. This is miserable. Hey girl, I know you want to get in front of the wind too. Whew. Cute. I'm gonna go get her a bucket of water. And we're thinking, because of how she's acting today, she'll be having hers. So we open this up so the girls and their babies can wander around in a bigger area, because some of them beating up on that poor gal in the corner. All right, July 23rd, out here at the farm. It is hotter than the blazes, guys. Whew. Good thing you guys got a fan in here. Good thing you guys got a fan in here. Yeah. How you doing, girls? Everybody good? No new baby? Yes, new baby? No new baby? Oh. So last night we sorted off the weanlings. Sorry I didn't get any video of that, but we waited until it was dark and cooled off, and I'd forgotten my camera. Well, you need some more water, don't ya? Those aren't your babies. Those aren't your babies. No, they're not, Mommy. What are you doing in there, little guy. Oh, you want to escape again? So those two actually belong to her, but they had been in this pen when they were a little bit younger, and they like laying there, and that was where they were escaping. So they like being there. Here's this mama with her babies. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, and then she got that corner over there. What do you think, sweetheart? You better call to your babies. How are you on water? You know, I think I'm gonna get both of you clean water. So, most important part when it's this hot out is making sure that everybody's got fresh, cool water. And these girls in this barn, we set up our big fan for. And this weekend, we had gotten 3 inches of rain. It was awful. So we're still waiting for everything to dry up before we take down more alfalfa. Because 3 inches of rain takes a long time to dry up. So we weaned babies last night, and the mamas are not happy about it. They're just really upset, which does happen, but it had to be done. So let's go in and check on the babies. We were out here till about 10 o'clock last night, 10:30, sorting, because it's about the only cool time of the day. Boy, it'd be nice if the wind would blow. Hi, doll bugs. I know. Oh, I know. So now these guys get switched over to where they get just fed once a day. And then they've got hay bales out here that they can eat on. And right now they're just miserable. They don't want to do anything. It'll take a couple of days for everybody to calm down. We've got lick tubs out here for them. They've got dry places to lay. But we have some wethers that are left in here that'll go to the sale barn later. A beauty. Oh, I know. It's hard. Jeez, that's a big wether. So the does have the nice big white tags in their right ear. And the wethers have little yellow tags in the left ear. I know we're miserable. I know. It's tough. It's tough, guys. Thankfully, this is drying out a bit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Aren't you pretty? So these are our doelings. So there's going to be a lot of yelling and screaming for a while. And then we have somebody coming to get the rest of the bales off of there so we can move these does up to where the yearlings and 2-year-olds are. And the yearlings and 2-year-olds come down here so we can keep an eye on them since they are our fall kidders. And hopefully it stays dry so then we can clean yards, clean barns. Yeah. If it would just dry up, we could do a lot of things. And then we've got some fence to fix. Very humid, very hot. It's going to start getting into the 90s. So I'm going to get these girls some fresh water. And they need some more alfalfa. I'm thinking the 2 tubs would probably be good. Tried my best to keep the weeds down on the place because it keeps down the mosquitoes and the flies, but sometimes I just don't have time to come out here and keep up with it. So we have a greeting committee waiting for us to get some grain in for them. So we will do that. Sweetheart. Oh, I cannot wait until it dries up enough or we can clean this yard. It's so nasty. Everybody's yelling for the babies. It's a tough time. But look at, she was already dried up. Baby's been off of her for almost a full day now, and she was dry. Yeah. I just want to take, I think, this,
The brown panel.
yeah, the brown panel off if we can. Hi. Hi. Hi, Big Red. Then you girls can eat on this if you can.
Love you.
Okay, since we don't have any babies out here to knock bale over, and they've kind of made this a mess anyway, we're gonna let them hopefully eat it down. You just gotta love that they stand on top of it to eat. It's all right. Some of them in here have been getting a little scoury on this wet grass, so it's good for them to have a hay bale to eat on. See another producer say, I always have a hay bale out with my goats, and that is a really good thing because they need that roughage. I know you girls are miserable without your babies. I know. Thank you guys for raising such good babies. Yes. It's hot. I know. We're little guys. And again, this is the reason why we usually do not kid this time of the year. It's just so tough on livestock. Here are fall kidders. I just wrestled one out of the fence. It is time for them to be moved on different pasture because we're going to be getting this every day now. So hopefully we can get them moved to stop to a different pasture. Okay, about 9 o'clock at night. It's still about 90 degrees. Dew's coming on, so it's super humid. So gonna head home. Not much else to do out here. I apologize that the videos have been a little lacking in content lately, but it's just one of those things where not a lot's going on because waiting for it to dry up so we can do some stuff. And when we are doing stuff, it's late at night, so I'm thinking tomorrow I come out and get some fence fixed so we can move pasture for some of the gals, the fall kidders, because they're starting to get a little tapped out in that pasture.